We all love using automation clips, but how do you automate an external plugin? It's actually super simple, and I know a lot of people already know how to do this, but for those who don't, I'm about to put you on. The first thing you're going to want to do is to tweak any parameter inside a plugin. It could be delay, warp, literally anything. After that, right-click this knob and click Create Automation Clip. And that's it. You're done. Now you have an automation clip for the last knob that you tweaked. You could do this for any knob in any plugin, so get creative with it. Like and follow for more.